Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Meheru from Meheru Aesthetic Gallery. Today in this video, I will see you a very beautiful design for front page of any type of project like school project or assignment. If you like my drawing, you can follow my steps and create this design. For this, you have to watch the video till the end and don't skip. And yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give a like. So now keep watching. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.